update of this controversy that is now started off with certain remarks that were made over Mahua Moitra. And here is, when it comes to MP Mahua Moitra, the BJP is raising those questions who justified and remained silent during Sandesh Khale and Chopra Talibani flogging. Silence on Swati Maliwal has now made a disgusting comment at another woman, and that too from the NCW chief. The NCW chief, Rekha Sharma, at the time when she was visiting Hathras to take stock of the tragedy there, because majority of the victims of the stampede were women. And those questions that are now being raised on part of the BJP, because there were certain images that were being shared at how umbrellas were being used for the NCW chief, and she wasn't holding them on her own. In the meantime, let me take a quick update from Adrija, who will help us explain what this controversy is all about. So, Adrija, what was that Mahua Moitra was talking about?
Well, you see, Mahua Moitra was talking about the fact that she had commented on a tweet that Nidhi Razdan have done on a picture of Rekha Sharma while she was walking. There was someone else who was holding the umbrella, and therefore Nidhi Razdan have questioned her that why is she not holding her own umbrella, and to that Mahua Moitra has, of course, indicating to the fact that they are indicating to the fact that Rekha Sharma is doing nothing but being the chief of NCW. She is just going and, supporting the BJP, or her bias is very clear. That is what Mahua Moitra was indicating towards when she made that particular comment on Twitter, saying that she's very busy holding up the pajamas of her bosses. So, of course, the indication of Mahua Moitra is very clear here, attacking Rekha Sharma, of course, because of the kind of stance she have taken. And, of course, the BJP now coming down and questioning this entire comment that has been made by her, this entire proposition that has been made by her, which is not very right and respectful, especially towards another woman.
Right, and we've seen how the BJP is now reacting. Of course, so we'll play out reactions as well. But when it comes to this treatment like this that has now been given is something that has now been questioned. But the BJP, Adrija, is saying that how can a woman leader herself raise questions when it comes to another woman leader?
महुआ मोइत्रा द्वारा एक बेहद अभद्र, आपत्तिजनक और शर्मनाक ट्वीट आया है, और वो भी केवल महिलाओं के विषय में नहीं बल्कि राष्ट्रीय महिला आयोग की अध्यक्षा के विषय में। ऐसा ट्वीट है कि उसको दोहराया भी नहीं जा सकता, पर इस ट्वीट से उनकी मानसिकता दिखती है। ये वही मानसिकता है जो शाहजहां के साथ खड़ी हो जाती है संदेश खाली में, संदेश खाली को डिनाई करती है। ये वही मानसिकता है जो ताजमुल के साथ खड़ी हो जाती है चोपड़ा वाले तालिबानी घटना में, और उनके विधायक ने किस प्रकार से मुस्लिम राष्ट्र में ये सब होता है, महिला कैरेक्टरलेस ये बोला, उन पर कोई कार्रवाई नहीं हुई, ये वो मानसिकता है। पोस्ट पोल वायलेंस और रेप्स होते हैं, उसको जस्टिफाई किया जाता है। आज सवाल ये बनता है कि ऐसा अभद्र और इस प्रकार का ट्वीट आने पर क्या महुआ मोइत्रा पर कार्रवाई होगी? क्या उनको एमपी पद से बर्खास्त करेगी टीएमसी? ये पहली बार नहीं है। मां काली के विषय में और अन्य कई सारी टिप्पणियां इस प्रकार की उन्होंने लगातार की है। मां काली का तो अपमान किया था उन्होंने। आज सवाल ये बनता है कि महिलाओं के विषय में बोलने वाली प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी, प्रियंका वाड्रा, राहुल गांधी, खड़गे जी, सोनिया जी, आम आदमी पार्टी, ये चुप क्यों है? ये तब भी चुप थे जब संदेश खाली हुआ। ये चोपड़ा की घटना जो तालिबानी तरीके से पीटा गया महिला को, उस पर भी चुप थे। पोस्ट पोल रेप्स पर भी चुप थे, और स्वाति मालीवाल के विषय पर भी चुप थे। ये कैसा इंडिया अलायंस है?
Right, Shehzad himself is with us right now. Shehzad, you've been calling the comments as derogatory.
Absolutely, Amita. Whatever may be the issue or the angst, for Mahua Moitra, who's an MP, to say this kind of thing, and that too for the NCW chief, it only shows that the TMC mindset is the mindset of Shahjahan. That's why they spoke nothing about Sandesh Khali. It is the mindset of Tajmul. That's why they spoke nothing about the Talibani beating that took place in Chopra. That's why Mahua Moitra is very eloquently silent on the post-poll violence rapes that take place in West Bengal. And now when she speaks in such a derogatory manner, I am asking why Mamta Didi, a leader who's a woman leader, she is not sacking Mahua Moitra. Where is Sagarika Ghosh? Where is Priyanka Chaturvedi, Priyanka Vadra, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi? Will they not take a stand on this? to say this about
Well,
anyone.
Shehzad, I believe talking to you, we also have Rekha Sharma ji patched with us. Rekha ji, what do you have to say on the comments, ma'am, that have been made by a TMC Neta?
I have not even read what she's saying because I don't give any credit to her for anything. So I won't waste my time while I was working and we were having a program on online harassment on women. One of the women is harassing another online. So you can see she's not interested in her work. She's only trolling people. So I don't give my time to trollers. That's what I want to say.
Right. And Rekha ji, as far as BJP is also concerned, because we were just speaking to the other leaders, they have been saying and pointing out that what happens to the same netas when there is injustice that happens to women coming from their own state. What happens in Sandesh Khali, what happens in Chopra, what happens with Swati Maliwal, then why are these women leaders quiet?
They are only working for one person, one party, not for women at large. They are there for the salary from that neta and from the goodies from that neta. That's all they work for. And I'm not even bothered what they are writing for others. Whatever they say is not, I don't think people also take them seriously. Let them say whatever want. And I think they are trollers and people should not waste their time on that.
All right. Thank you very much, Rekha Sharma ji, for joining in. She's saying that she continues to do her work irrespective of any political statements that are made, especially coming in from women leaders of other opposition parties. We'll get you more reactions on that heading into a short break.